Hello, my name is Nicole Bergeron. Today I will be talking about gifts to students or staff. There are two kinds of gifts that can be given to students. First is a fundraising incentive gift, and those are gifts that are given to students that have participated in the fundraiser. They are paid for with fundraising profits. They are age appropriate, equitable, and you can still maintain your profit by giving those gifts. So, for example, if a student sells 10 items, they get a specific gift in a fundraiser. There's also special achievement gifts. Those must be age appropriate, nominal cost, paid for from general funds, donations from businesses or the PTO. And for this, I think like the end of the school year academic achievement awards or something we give at our school for special gifts. Um, One rule of thumb to remember is that gifts not related to fundraising should not favor one group of students over the other. So don't give everyone in Mrs. Jones's class um, a special popcorn party and give Miss Smith's class nothing. Procedures for a remembrance fund. So the remembrance fund should have written procedures, be coordinated by a committee, meet at least once a year, determine the amount that each staff member will contribute to the fund, and the majority of the special occasion gifts are paid for with these funds. In most schools, this is called the social committee. That's what it's called in our school, and I'm a member of that committee. So we meet twice a year in August and January. When we meet in August, we decide what everyone's dues are going to be for the year. Like this past year, certified staff paid $20 as their dues, and classified staff members paid $15. And we use those funds to pay for all of our special occasion gifts, our cards, if it was a card of condolence. So there are three types of gifts that can be given to staff members. The first one, of course, is the special occasion gifts. These must be reasonably priced, paid for with remembrance funds. Um, Also, they can be wedding gifts, baby shower gifts, cards for condolence if there's a death in the family, or a card and flowers if someone is in the hospital for a while. You also have all staff gifts, so these also need to be reasonably priced. The money raised by the staff can be used by the staff, so the money in the vending machine in the teacher's lounge could be used to purchase something that all the teachers agree with. Um, Careful, useful gifts paid with general funds, so if there's extra money left over, the principal can decide how much each classroom will get, and the teachers can spend that on something in their classrooms. Uh, Remember not to give cash or gift cards, and most general staff gifts are paid for with PTO or remembrance funds, like teacher appreciation gifts. Fundraising incentives, fundraising incentive gifts, they're given only if the staff member participated in the fundraising project. Um, Gift expenses should be subtracted from the general profit, and they should be reasonable in cost and no more than 5% of the overall profit. Special efforts. So these are special collections or fundraisers to benefit a staff member or student coping with an illness or catastrophic event, like if someone has been diagnosed with cancer and the family has lots of medical bills, or if there was a house fire and family lost everything, you could have a special fundraiser for them to help out. So before you do this, you need to get guidance from the district about what the procedures are. You need to fundraise specifically for the event, nothing else. You have to report all the amounts received as taxable. Get your PTO involved. Do not have just the school staff running this. It needs to be something separate from the school. Allow a local bank to handle the money. Do not have your school bookkeeper handle the money. This money needs to be separated from your school general funds. Things you should avoid when you are thinking about giving gifts to staff or students. You need to be accountable. Make sure that you're following procedures. Show good judgment by having gifts that are reasonable, age appropriate, equitable. Use the correct funds to purchase your gifts, and all these things will help you not have an administrative headache. So these are my references, and this was my information about giving gifts to students and staff. Thank you.